I start running.
Well, you're kind of close. They may get that close.
We'll see. We shall see.
Alright, made it to the can. Couple dead little duties. Oh, they're solid. Stuck to some syrup. And I spray the whole thing?
Yeah, I guess that's what it said.
I want to spray it on my box. So.
Lightly mist, it said. It's not that much in it. Keep going.
Well, I'm getting the water out of it too.
Okay.
I mean, I guess. I ain't no friend.
Should be good. Should be good, baby. You have the hive tool. Oh no, you don't need it. Okay. Just make sure you get the queen out.
I think she's right here. There's little metal tabs in here. So we yank it. I'll take that comb on it. No, that's not her. I see something in there. You're supposed to take her out first?
Yep.
Sir?